Hey man, in this video right here, man, we finna talk about combing. From the purpose of combing, when you need to comb, how long you need to comb. Man, we finna talk about all that. So if you wanna learn about that, man, stay tuned and turn on with your boy, you feel me? We're gonna get right into it. Right after this, man. Gang.
You wanna ride my way, now they blow what I got say. They wanna see me grow, they hate on low, they hate on low, they hate on low, yeah. I just wanna win, can I do that, yeah. I don't want you girl, get your boo bag, yeah.
What's good, notification gang? It's your boy SwaggDrizzle, man, and I'm back with another banger. Stop playing with me. If you're new to my channel, man, be sure to hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you don't miss another banger, man. Look, in this video right here, man, we're gonna talk about combing, man. We're gonna talk about everything about combing, man, from the purpose of combing to woo, you feel me? You already know what woo is, don't you?
I don't know.
If you don't know, man, I'm gonna tell you. The purpose of combing, when to comb, what length to comb in, all that, man. So let's jump right into it, man. Let's get it.
Chooky beef.
Alright, man, so before we get into the combing section, you probably want to know the purpose of combing, right? The most common purpose of combing is what everybody say, which is you want to comb while you wolf and to get down to that first layer of your waves. But I also got another purpose of combing, and that's pretty much to stretch out your waves and reposition your waves. For example, I feel like your waves move better when you combing, better than when you brushing, because you can really put your waves in the position that you want it to be in with the comb. And I feel like when you can move your waves, it's better for when you trying to break farts and when you working on your connection. Now let's talk about what length should you comb in, man. I would say I wouldn't recommend combing no less than a 2.5, or with me I can do a 2, but you don't want to damage the scalp. So I ever comb on a 1.5 or 1 or anything like that, because man, it's just too low for your scalp. Alright, so now let's talk about how long to brush, man.
Are you stupid or something?
Not brush, man, but how long to comb. When combing, I usually like to do the same amount of my brush session with the comb. For example, if I'm gonna do a 15-minute brush session, I'm usually gonna pop it off with a 15-minute comb session. I always comb in the beginning of every brush session, and I do that to lift your hairs off your scalp and also stimulate the natural oils that you got in your head, and you can get that natural shine.
Chooky beef.
wrap it up like that, man. I hope you learned something. If you did, hit the like button. You feel me? If you're new to the channel, man, you like the content, man, be sure to hit the subscribe button before you leave, before you tired. You feel me? I'm your boy SwaggDrizzle, man. See y'all on the next video, man. Let's get it.
Just wanna ride my way. Now they blow it, I got shades. They wanna see me grow. They hate on low. They hate on low.